Davey.
What's up? Welcome back to Stereo Installs. Got the 2021 lime green Wrangler here. You know, must have for every 18 to 2023 Wrangler is going to be the Stinger High 10 integration kit. Makes it look like it's from the factory. I mean, can you tell it's not factory layer?
Cool. It's beautiful. Look at that, everybody. Wow.
It has CarPlay, Android Auto wired. Also down here we got our own little personal touch. Got the Stereo Installs, HDMI and USB ports. So the bottom port is for USB for CarPlay. Top one's for HDMI, so she can actually watch video directly on the head unit from her phone. So it has climate controls that go digital, heated seats, all the climate transfers up. It can be digital, or you can still use everything down here also.
Yeah, the controls are crazy on these Stinger High 10s.
And you see how it lights up when the heated seat's on there?
Check that out. Wow.
Also, you can have like vehicle info. So, yeah, your gauges, shows all your gauges and everything, your pitch and your roll, what's going on with the drivetrain. It shows the tire angle that it's turned to right now. Yeah. It shows the doors open because you got the door open right now, so it shows the door open.
It's a crazy system.
Yeah.
So what are we running in here, Davey?
We got all Kicker KS series, 3.5s here, 6 3/4 here, and then we got custom adapters for here and also for the roll bar to do 6.5s back here. In the back is just a hidden 5-channel Audison amp and a Kicker L7R preloaded enclosure. Got the little bass knob down here for the Audison amp so she can control her bass.
Oh, check that out. Nice.
Super integration, clean, not a whole ton of flash. It just makes things look correct and sound amazing. Got the Audison 5-channel SR 5.600 amplifier, little powerhouse amp running the door speakers, and then the subwoofer back here. There's the meat of the installation there. Kicker L7R. Preloaded enclosure. We do custom boxes here, but this customer just wants something quicker, and Kicker makes amazing pre-made enclosures, the best on the market you can get, if that's the avenue you want to go to.
Unless the bitch come with a duddy, I can't be fucking these dog hoes. Unless the bitch come with a buddy, I can't be driving no regular cars. The bitch gotta come with a button. I was broke like a wild bag. Now I'm up all of a sudden. I can't be rapping for free. They gotta send me the budget. I can't be fucking these hoes around. I had to strip on the road. I can't be rocking no plain Jane. Both of my watch be funny.
Stereo Installs, baby. 7507 Tyler Boulevard, Unit B, Menor, Ohio. 440-525-2001. Extension number 1 comes to me, David. I'm the sales manager. Also, you can get us at every social media platform out there at Stereo Installs, and on our YouTube channel, which you're watching right now. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe. We love putting amazing content out there for you guys to inform you on what's hot and what's new in the segment. We'll see you next time, baby.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.